Every 10 seconds, a senior is rushed to the ER. Not due to a fall, but because their legs just gave out. Weak legs, tingling hands, numbness, and burning feet. These aren't just symptoms of aging. They're signs of a body in need of something vital: collagen. But here's the shocking truth. Almost every senior is missing this crucial nutrient that could change everything. It's not found in expensive supplements, but in everyday vegetables. The kind most seniors don't eat. Today, we'll reveal 8 incredible vegetables that will rejuvenate your joints and nerves, improving mobility and comfort. And the best part, the final vegetable we mention could help reverse leg weakness, even for those over 60 years. You won't believe how powerful these veggies are. Stick with us till the end. Collagen is the building block your body needs to maintain healthy nerves and joints. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, leading to common symptoms like tingling hands, leg weakness, and difficulty walking. But the solution isn't a costly pill. It's something much more accessible. Studies from top universities like Stanford have shown that certain vegetables contain natural compounds that kickstart collagen production in your body, significantly improving nerve function and joint health. Let's take a look at the 8 power-packed vegetables you need to add to your diet today. First up, the humble carrot. This everyday veggie is rich in a compound called falcarinol, which works wonders for protecting your nerve cells. Recent studies have shown that regular consumption of carrots can significantly reduce tingling and improve grip strength. The key here is falcarinol's ability to reduce nerve inflammation and protect from oxidative damage. The best part? Eating them raw or lightly steamed preserves most of their nerve healing properties. For maximum benefit, try incorporating 2 medium-sized carrots into your diet every day. Next, sweet potatoes. These delicious tubers are packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for nerve signal transmission. What makes sweet potatoes even more impressive is their ability to regenerate nerve cells thanks to a compound called sporamins. Researchers have found that eating sweet potatoes regularly increases nerve conduction, making them a must-have for anyone struggling with nerve issues. Bake them whole at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to retain their full healing potential. Red cabbage is an unsung hero when it comes to nerve health. Packed with over 30 different anthocyanins, red cabbage is a powerhouse for reducing nerve damage and inflammation. In fact, research from leading health institutions reveals that consuming red cabbage daily can significantly improve nerve function, especially in seniors. The secret is in the anthocyanins, which protect nerve tissue and improve circulation. Eat it raw for the best results, or prepare a light salad with apple cider vinegar for a nerve-boosting dish. Cauliflower is more than just a versatile veggie. It's a natural nerve healer. It contains a compound called indole-3-carbinol, which works wonders in repairing damaged nerve sheaths. A recent study found that people who ate cauliflower regularly experienced a 30% reduction in tingling sensations. You'll want to steam or lightly cauliflower to preserve its nerve-boosting compounds. Try adding some turmeric and black pepper to your cauliflower for added benefits. These spices enhance absorption by up to 2,000%. Artichokes are full of antioxidants that improve blood circulation to your extremities, but the real magic lies in a compound called cynaron. This substance targets nerve inflammation and helps stimulate nerve growth. Clinical trials have shown that artichoke consumption can reduce symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome and improve nerve function. The key is proper preparation. Steam them upside down for optimal results. And don't forget to save the cooking water for a nourishing tea. Asparagus is not just a delicious side dish. It's a powerful ally in improving nerve health. This veggie is loaded with glutathione, a potent antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress. Clinical studies show that eating asparagus regularly reduces nerve inflammation and improves balance. For maximum benefits, consume asparagus within 48 hours of purchase, and remember not to overcook it. Try it lightly roasted or steamed for optimal nerve-protecting effects. Okra might not be your first choice, but this vegetable is a true gem for nerve health. Okra contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that protects nerve endings and reduces inflammation. Studies show that consuming okra regularly can help reduce nerve pain and discomfort, especially for those with neuropathy. To make the most of okra's benefits, try frying it quickly at high heat or soaking it in water overnight to create okra water, which you can drink in the morning for concentrated nerve protection. Last but certainly not least, we have beets. This vibrant vegetable is packed with nitrates that improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerve tissues. A study from Oxford University found that daily consumption of beet juice improved nerve function in patients with diabetic neuropathy by 45%. Beets are most effective when consumed raw or roasted. Try drinking beet juice first thing in the morning, or adding roasted beets to your salad for an extra boost of circulation. As you can see, these 8 vegetables are packed with natural compounds that promote collagen production and help reverse nerve damage. Whether you're dealing with tingling hands, leg weakness, or general discomfort, adding these veggies to your diet could transform your nerve health in ways you never expected. Start with 1 or 2, and over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your energy, mobility, and overall well-being. Which of these vegetables do you already eat, and which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We're here to provide personalized tips and answer your questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips that will change your life.